This video is brought to you by Altium 365, where the world designs electronics, and Octopart, the fastest search engine for electronic parts.
Configuring the rule checker. The design is checked for violations by running the design rule checker. Run the tools, then click design rule check command to open the dialog. Both online and batch DRC are configured in this dialog. The DRC report options by default, the dialog opens showing the report options page selected in the tree on the left of the dialog, which is shown in this image. Now the right side of the dialog displays a list of general reportings options. For more information about the options, press F1 when the cursor is over the dialog. These options can be left at their defaults.